Yo, what's up? Real quick, I just want to show you guys how to create a new program. This is just the basics. I'm not going to go too far in extent, but this is just the basics. So let's get straight to it. So first of all, when you have your pendant, right, you want to go to jobs. You want to make sure that it's in teach. All right, that's important. Make sure it's in teach. You want to go to jobs. You want to go create new jobs, right? So you'll get this screen right here. All right. You want to name your job, so we'll hit select. And right here is use this touch screen so you can touch screen. So we're just gonna put new. Job. All right, so we got new job in there. That's our new program, right? So right here, you can put in a comment, which we normally don't do that here. The job folder, we don't mess with that either. But right here, that group setting, now that's important, all right? So once I hit select, right? Normally on your robot, it should have the group settings of what you're trying to use, which it just means you want to use your robot and your station 3, which could be, I don't know if you can see it, but that turntable right here. So for instance, we're on B side, so I gotta use, for this side, R1, S3, S3. All right, that's my group setting. So I'm gonna hit select. All right, after that, I'm gonna hit execute. All right, so now it brings you into the job program screen. All right, so right here, as you can see, my robot is already in its home position, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the dead man switch back here. You have to hold the dead man switch, and I'm gonna hit insert, enter. All right, now that gives me my home position, right? I'm also gonna hit it one more time, insert, enter. Now, I did that because once I start building my program, I'm going to build within these two home positions, right? So once I make my first move, let's say I go up here to the number 1, I move my robot a little bit, right? I want to lock that in. Insert, enter. All right. Now we're using J moves because these are air cuts, okay? Whenever you're doing your welding and all that stuff and how you get to those, you go to motion type down here. All right, it'll bring up, let's see, motion type. And if you see at the bottom of the screen, it moves. C moves, which is circular moves. You have your S moves, you have your J moves, and you have your L moves. All right, so that's how you get to these movements, okay? So I'm gonna make one more move. Let's say we turn the robot and we go out here, right? I'm gonna lock that in. Insert, enter. All right, so you see I made those two moves inside my initial home starts, okay? So now, when I press forward, it goes back home, all right? So now I'm in the beginning of the program, right? So I hit that, that's the one move, that's the other move, and it goes back home. Now, if you wanted to get to your area and you get it where you want it and you wanted to start your welding and stuff, how you find that is you go to inform list. I don't know if you can see that. Go to inform list, right? And it's gonna bring up this over here, okay? Now this motion, you got arithmetic, that's when you wanna add a counter. Your motions is more likely your weaves or whatever, but we want to go to devices, all right? So devices, and this is where you will find your arc-ons and your arc-offs, all right? Cancel that. Your motions, these are your motions, cancel. Your arithmetic, this is where you use your counter. We don't use a lot of these. We mostly use the INC one, which is over there, and that's it. So if you wanted to find how to get to those things, you go to inform list. So I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to start your program and start editing your moves and how to get to certain things. So that's just a quick tutorial. This is L Bridges signing off. I kind of hopes that helps you a little bit. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll try to help you out as much as possible. So that's it, man. You guys take it easy. L Bridges signing out. Peace.